Today we're going to go over the right procedure for replacing the solenoid on a TS400 starter. You're going to start by removing the 13mm nut that holds the power cable to the solenoid. Second, we're going to remove the 6mm screws that hold the solenoid to the housing. Okay, and when you're actually removing it, you want to lift up and pull back just slightly. Now to reinstall, you want to pull on the Bendix gear, and that will lower the lever arm towards you. Take the solenoid with the large post on top and the low post, the smaller post on the bottom, towards the cable, and drop it over and push it back together, and you'll see that the Bendix gear will retract. You can then take your 6mm screws, put Loctite on them. We use a low strength Loctite. Then you can sandwich the assembly together and line up the screws. Tighten each one a few turns until you have them completely tight. And if you're using a torque wrench, we tighten it to 70 inch-pounds. Otherwise, just make sure they're tight. Then last, the 13mm wrench to put on the cable here. Put your lock washer and nut. And then just tighten it down until the lock washer collapses. It's just firm, you don't have to over tighten it. And that's it. Put the boot over it. And that's the assembly. Okay, that finishes the installation of the solenoid replacement. If you need to order the part, it's our part number SS037, and we hope this video was helpful.